message has been requested by the request of the Virginia Emergency Management Agency. At 10:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, there has been reports of a mushroom cloud from the 3 Mile Island Nuclear Generating Station in Roanoke, Virginia. The 3 Mile Island Nuclear Generating Station near Middletown, Pennsylvania has in fact exploded. All residents 500 miles from the 3 Mile Island Nuclear Generating Station are required to seek a fallout shelter. Fallout is a product of nuclear accidents and attacks. Fallout will reach the Roanoke area within a minute or less. I repeat, fallout will reach the Roanoke area within 1 minute or less. Nuclear fallout can spread over large areas in a minute. Civil danger warning will remain in effect until further notice.